Well, good morning. I know it ain't much to look at now, but this is the future home of Miss Nancy's outdoor kitchenette. We'll be right back. Well, welcome back, friends. Today's kind of a big day because I'm going to get started on Nancy's outdoor kitchenette. You know, we've got plans to make a large, much larger outdoor kitchen on the side of the back of the house back there. So when we have lots of folks over, family gatherings, that we have plenty of room for seating as well as plenty of room for cooking. But that's a big operation, and it's over a year away before I can even get that outdoor kitchen built. And so Nancy asked me to go ahead and get her a smaller version on the side of the house of a kitchenette, something that she can cook a quick meal, just me and her and maybe your mama, you know, so we can have the three of us come out here and eat and enjoy the outside without having to wait for me to get around to building that big old outdoor kitchen on the side back of the house. So I got so many things on my plate that I can't get it all done at once, but this will serve us well. It'll be a great little addition to outdoor eating and cooking for us while we're waiting for me to get around to building the big one, you know, which the big outdoor kitchen serves more purpose than just cooking. It's, you know, for big canning operations and stuff like that. So that's still a little further out before I can get to that. So in the meantime, we're gonna get her a kitchenette. So she went out and she pointed and told me, I want this here, I want this here, I want this. Is Nancy's design right here. This is what she wants, and I'm gonna give it to her. So I'm gonna do my best to make her happy. And let's come on up and take a look at what we're gonna be working on the next few days here. This is the beginning of a new series. It should take 1, 2, 3, 4 little parts on this series, but I think it'll be worth the journey together. So come on up, let's take a look at what the plan of the day is. Okay, here's the little sketch. This is a small patio that we have on the back. Here's a little back door out of Nancy's little Florida room, and she's got a hutch on the inside of the house that has a lot of her cooking stuff right here. So she can come through this door and access into her little cooking utensils and all her little doodads that she has in there. And she wants to be able to walk right out this door and have a counter here that she can work on and cook on, and also an eating counter, so I mean an eating table. So she wants it a dual purpose to cook on and then also as to eat on as well. So this is a cooking / table right here. Right over here she wants a little small sink on a little small table to work on, where she can prepare food and do things that she wants to do that need water and a sink. So that goes right here. And over here, she wants a shelf, a rack that has 3 shelves on it. And she wants to have that open on the bottom, and the 2 top shelves, she wants them to have cabinet doors on them. And she wants cabinet doors on this, under this sink as well. So anyway, this is just 3 little parts here. This right here, you can just walk right out right here, right into the yard right here. So this is actually a little small patio that we can come up here and eat and cook, you know, whenever we want. So this is what she wants, and we're gonna hook her up and get her set up, because you make her happy, she's gonna make me happy cooking. So I'm looking forward to it. So anyway, this is the layout, and this is how she wants it. And today is gonna be our first build. We're gonna work on this counter table right here. And that's this table right here. It's not very complicated, it's pretty easy to do. So it's only about 7'6" long, about 30 inches wide, and about 30 inches high. So it's a basic, simple table, 4x4 legs, 2x4 frame construction. And then the only difference in this and all the other hundreds of tables I'm building around here is she wants to cover the outside out here, and out here with T111 siding, because it's going to be, you know, you can see the front of the table right here, you know, from this direction when you're looking at the house, and she just wants it to be dressed up a little bit better instead of just leg frames hanging down. She wants it to look a little bit better. So we're going to do that right here and cover that for her. And this is the table. So I'm going to cover the top of it with 5/4 by 6 deck boards that last really good out in the weather like this, and it looks nice too. So this is it. We're only going to build one of these. Here's a little list of material if you want to build one of these or similar to this for yourself. We'll put this little construction sketch on our Facebook page, as well as our community tab on our YouTube channel, and you can download this JPEG image and make one similar for yourself. So let's get started getting these parts cut and getting it put together, and looking forward to getting it in place for her and watching that big old smile come on her face when she gets her brand new little outdoor kitchenette. Let's get started. Well, there we go. We got the first piece of Nancy's outdoor kitchenette complete. This is the eating table and a counter. And you notice it's a kind of a low for a counter for me, but all these components that are going into this outdoor kitchenette are custom made to suit Nancy's height. So we took some careful measurements of how Nancy, of her stature, and she can reach this comfortably without having to bend over like this, like I have to do. She can just stand here comfortable. So keep that in mind if you want to build one of these and you're working off of the plans that, the sketches that we put up on our Facebook page. They're custom built for somebody that's only 5 feet tall. But anyway, here's the table. Take a good look around it. The front of it, I put some T111 siding on the front just to dress it up just a little bit, since it's facing out and just give it a little bit better appearance. Got the T111 siding on the two side end pieces as well. The top's covered with the 5/4 inch by 6 deck boards, and the front end, this end here where you sit to eat, you can stick your knees up under there and sit in a chair without banging your knees on any kind of cross bracing. So that's why I had to put the diagonals in there to give it some support, but it's supported, and it's going to do, I think, get the job done for us for many years to come. So I really thank you for joining me today on this first little component in Nancy's outdoor kitchenette. We'll be back next week and we'll start on another piece, and I look forward to seeing you then. So if you like our channel, be sure to subscribe, be a part of our Homestead family. Got a big year coming this year for you. I think you're going to really be pleased with the progress that we make. So a lot happening this year, and I look forward to sharing it with all of y'all. So until we see you next time, always remember, by His hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day.